What is up, you guys? I want to say that I apologize. I ended up posting the wrong video, and I want to say thank you to one of my subscribers for pointing that out. So once again, let's dive in. In today's video, I will be showing you guys the revamped way to use the Simon surround system. So let's dive in. As a note, you guys, remember to always check the descriptions below for more information. In my previous video, Learning the Simon Surround System 2021, I was telling you guys that this guy named Steve Player created a system where you can hit pick 3 digits in exact order. As I was reading on his site how to use the Simon Surround System, I noticed that he never mentioned where he got those numbers from. I reached out to him about the Simon Surround System, and he told me that I would need to purchase the workout in order to receive further information about it. So I looked around the net to see if other people have used any of his workouts before, and I found absolutely nothing. Hearing that, I saw a red flag that he could potentially be trying to scam people for money, and after that, I didn't respond back. Now, in my previous video, Learning the Simon Surround System 2021, on January the 4th, 2021, 399 hit, and as I demonstrated in the video, when you have the right numbers, the Simon Surround System can be beneficial. A few months ago, I went back to his site, and instead of rushing through the information he has up there to post a video for you guys, I decided to really take my time to make sure I was understanding what he was saying correctly, and still it led me to a dead end. So first things first, on your sheet or your paper or grid, I want you guys to draw 15 boxes. That's 5 boxes on each row. If you guys would like to download and print out the box grid that I'm using in the video, the link will be in the description for download. Here's an example. Once you guys have that down, you will now put in the middle 3 boxes your previous pick 3 hit. And for today's video, I'll be using North Carolina's previous hit 159, which came out on June the 16th, 2024. So now we will focus on each number from your previous hit. For your first digit, you want to go up a digit in the top row and go down a digit in your bottom row. Here's an example. For the second digit from your previous hit, you want to count back 2 and put that digit in your top box. So in my case, I would count back 2 from 5 and put the second digit, which is 3, in my top box. For the bottom digit, you will also count back, but you will count back 3 digits from your previous hit digit. So in my case, I would count back 3 from 5 and put that digit, which is 2, in my bottom box. Here's an example. For the third digit from your previous hit, you want to put that same digit in your top box. And for the bottom digit, you want to count up 3 digits and put that third digit in your bottom box. So in my case, I would count up from 9 and put that digit, which is 2, in my bottom box. Here's an example. For the fifth box to the right, you want to count up 1, then you will turn that number into your mirror digit, then go down 1 from that mirror digit and put that in your fifth box. So in my case, I would count up 1 from 9, which would give me 0. Then I would take that 0 and turn it into my mirror digit, which will be 5. Then go down 1 from 5 and put that digit, which is 4, in my fifth box. Here's an example. For the sixth box underneath the fifth box, you want to count back 2 off of the digit beside the sixth box. So in my case, I would count back 2 from 9 and take that digit, which is 7, and put that in my 6th box. Here's an example. For the 7th box, you want to count back 3 digits from your 6th box digit. So in my case, I would count back 3 from 7 and put that digit, which is 4, in my 7th box. Here's an example. Now in your first top box to the left, you would count up 1 from your 2nd box digit. So in my case, I would count up 1 from 2 and put that digit, which is 3, in my first top left box. Here's an example. In the 12th box underneath your first box, you want to count up 2 digits from your first top left box. So in my case, I will count up 2 from 3 and put that digit, which is 5, in my 12th box. Here's an example. In your 11th box, underneath the 12th box, you want to count up 3 digits from your 12th box digit. So in my case, I would count up 3 from 5 and put that digit, which is 8, in my 11th box. Here's an example. Now starting with the top left digit, you want to put those numbers in a 3 set. So for example, in my case, I would do 323, then 239, then 394, and so on until the repeating set that I started off with pops up again. Here are my sets of pick 3 digits. Excluding the last set, altogether you are to have 12 sets of numbers to play. Now as Steve Player mentioned that these numbers, once you have them in a set, that you can play them exact, but in my case, my sets aren't in that order. On June the 16th, 2024, the evening hit that came out was 479, and as you can see in my sets, 479 is in there, but in my sets, it came 947. So this is what you want to do. In all of the 12 sets that you have, take the middle digit and the last digit and put them at the beginning. So put your middle digit for the first digit and the last digit for your second digit. Here are my sets examples in exact order. In the next video, we are still going to dive into more of this new lottery stuff. I'm talking about new date sums, new workouts, just a bunch of new stuff, and I just want to share it with all of you guys here. So keep them notifications on. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.